Welcome. In this video, my aim is to motivate you to get some laundry done, even if it's only one quick load. I'm adding baking soda and liquid detergent to the machine before adding today's load. Laundry is one of my least favorite household tasks. However, many years ago, I read a book on homemaking, and the author suggested praying for whichever family member whose laundry you were doing. I've made that a habit. For example, I do not like touching my husband's socks, so when I have to, I thank my God for my husband working for his family and that my husband's feet will take him to where he should share the gospel of Jesus Christ. I think it's important to grow to be thankful and to eliminate complaining about serving my family even when I don't like the task. These are the cardboard pieces I use when folding some of our garments. I made different sizes for use depending upon how I want an article of clothing to fit in a space. This is just plain old cardboard covered with wrapping or scrapbooking paper and covered with clear vinyl so the pieces last repeated use. It's important to cover over or tape over the rough edges so as not to damage your clothing when pulling the cardboard out when using. Some may find using boards unnecessary, and it may be the case for many. People have their own preferences. This helps me. I like the look of evenly folded garments on shelves and in drawers, so I don't mind spending the time it requires to get it that way. Folding your clothes neatly and compactly is a good space-saving hack. This is actually an old clipboard from either Walmart or the Dollar Tree. I cut off the metal clamp and taped the edge that I cut so that I could use it as a folding board. husband has so many socks. I don't understand it. I just deal with it. This load was light compared to the usual. His socks are kept in small drawers divided by kinds. Like in one drawer, I have black and gray athletic socks. Another small drawer, I have his white athletic socks. In another drawer, his color athletic socks. And in another drawer, his casual and dress socks. Yes, he has a lot of socks. When it comes time to put away my husband's laundry, I put them together either by kind or what they're used for, like his collar work shirts I'll put together, or his long sleeve collar work shirts I'll put together. His athletic shirts that he may wear around just for around the house, I'll store those together. And this helps me with putting his laundry away and also for him finding his items. I'm taking some towels to be hung up in the bathroom and rolling the rest. you for spending some of your time with me. I hope this gets you motivated to tackle your laundry. Have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.